So this is a dead hedge. Dead hedges have been used in woodland management for centuries, decades. Not used so much in public gardens, but it's a good way of what to do with your brash and stuff that's too big to put on a compost heap. This saves us having to put things like, stuff that would go through a wood chipper on through the chipper. It saves us having to burn it. It can be piled up here, it can be stored here, and it provides habitat for things like robins, and you'll get stag beetles nesting in this, you'll get voles, you'll get mice, field mice, that sort of stuff, lots of grass snakes even. So the name dead hedge can be a bit misleading. In fact, if anything, in given time, it'll be anything but a dead hedge. It'll be teeming with life. They take a little bit of time to set up, as you can see from this. It's taken us a bit of time this morning to put the stakes in the ground. It's a bit arduous, bit of hard work, but in actual fact, it saves us time in the long run, because all of this is stuff that we would normally have to either put through a chipper, like I say, or compost it, or burn it, and that then takes time. Once you've got a pile of wood prunings, to then separate it out to make sure that there's no, say, hedgehogs or whatever nesting in it before you set fire to it. Here we can just bring them along here as and when we produce them. We can put anything on here from branch prunings. You can put hedge clippings on here. You can even put brambles on here, because we want it to be a bit diverse, a few different types of material, so it breaks down at different rates. I think anyone who's got a garden or even an allotment or a small bit of space that they can give up to one, I think they're valuable things to have at the bottom of your garden. They'll provide nest sites for things like hedgehogs as well, that need a bit of help and need as much help as they can get, really.